Okay, class, we are going to dimension packet page number 1. I'm going to show you how to do number 1 figure, and then you will have 2, 3, and 4 on the other side of this page. First thing you do is you identify that it's number 1, and then the number next to it is how many dimensions are going to be needed to complete this. Make sure you follow the 16 guidelines and that everything that we covered before as far as dimension. Okay, so the first thing I notice, and you just start from one side to the other, and we're going to make sure that all of these are datum dimensioned instead of chain dimensioned. First thing I'm going to notice going up is this edge here. I'm going to go over. And I'm going to make this one longer because that's going to show me the overall view. I'm going to arrowhead, arrowhead. Then I'm going to, on this one, come out further. And I'm coming straight down. Remember to leave in the middle. So that's 2 of the 4 dimensions. Remember, we're not supposed to cross dimension and leader lines, but you can cross leader lines with other leader lines. Okay, the overall is going to be bigger. This one's going to be a little smaller, and this one bigger, right? So I am going to make sure the break is in the middle, right here, in the middle between these 2 arrowheads. And I'm going to make sure the break is in the middle between these 2 arrowheads. Okay, that's my 4 dimensions. I got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All 4, you could build this part with those 4 dimensions. Make sure also that you put your name, and the date. Today is the 26th of February. Make sure you do it for all 4 figures on this page, the 2 on this side and the 2 on the other side, and then turn it in. Also, one last thing before we go. This paper is to scale. If you took a ruler, this would be 1 inch, 2 inch, so on. Make sure you put the dimensions of the object. You can count 1 inch and a half, so you would put 1.5. In dimensioning an object, it'll have a scale down here that says inches. You do not need to put the inches symbol there. It labels it all when you put the scale. This would be 1, 2 and a half, so 2.5. Dimension the whole thing and all the other drawings. Make sure you have the numbers there, your date and name, and the amount of dimensions that you need for each. For this one, you're going to need 5 dimensions to make sure this part can be made.
But they ain't saying much. You know they talk a bunch, but they ain't saying much.